Hey guys, this is Retardedly Spinning Part 2.
I'm Kate. She's Katie.
Yeah, that's Katie.
I'm Katie.
I'm Desiree. Desiree.
I'm gonna make a dramatic entrance. Watch this. You can show Daniela real quick.
Daniela.
That's Daniela. She kisses the floor.
No, I don't. I didn't really kiss the floor.
I know. Okay.
I cracked my piece of hair.
Whoa.
Nice,
Desi.
Dude, I almost smacked my face.
What did I
Like
say?
I didn't, like you when you tackled me.
What did I say about the screaming?
Oops.
You can stop.
No.
Good.
I'm dying.
Oh, good. I'm dying from dizziness. Please don't do this at home, but if you want to be retarded, go ahead.
You have to put it on your iPad then?
Yeah. I'm gonna
Get away from me.
I can't help it. I'm dizzy.
Stop it.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I did not hit my face.
Okay, good.
Okay, I'm gonna be retarded now again.
Pull up my arms, baby.
What the frick? Oh my damn it, it's a stalker.
Oh my damn it.
Oh my damn it. Get away from me, stalker.
I'm a damn.
You're a freaking idiot. I'm gonna be a freaking retard.
Retards these days.
I'm gonna be a retard again.
Bacon! We love bacon!
Things go.
Bacon, 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 bacon!
Things go better with bacon. I have bacon.
Bacon.
I hate bacon.
Con!
Daniela hates bacon.
For real?
And I'm being retarded. Yes, she does.
Alright, stop the video.
No, the video is awesome.